Meaning of guiro.
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 Guiro. Guira or guiro is a percussion instrument commonly used in Latin American music. It is usually made of wood or metal, and has ridges or notches on its surface that produce a scraping sound when rubbed with a stick or mallet. The sound produced by the guiro can add texture and rhythm to a variety of musical genres, including salsa, merengue, cumbia, and more. The guiro is often played alongside other percussion instruments such as congas and bongos in a Latin American music ensemble.